Elaborating on root-based and the client-server model in Internet communication. In the intricate web of Internet communication, two fundamental concepts enable seamless data exchange: root-based and the client-server model. Each plays a critical role in ensuring that data flows efficiently and securely between devices across the globe. Routers, the traffic controllers of the Internet. A router is a networking device that directs data packets between computer networks, ensuring they reach their intended destination. Think of it as a highly efficient traffic controller on the vast highways of the Internet. How routers work? Data packet forwarding. When data is transmitted over a network, it is divided into small units called packets. Each packet contains a destination address which the router uses to determine where to send it. Routing tables. Routers maintain a routing table, a map of network destinations and the best routes to reach them. The router uses this table to decide the most efficient path for each packet. Network layer operation. Routers operate at the network layer, layer 3 of the OSI model, handling IP addresses and ensuring packets are delivered across different networks. Network address translation, NAT. Routers often use NAT to translate private IP addresses into a public IP address for Internet communication, conserving IP address space and adding a layer of security. Types of routers. Home routers, found in households. These devices connect multiple devices to the Internet and provide Wi-Fi access. Enterprise routers, used in businesses. These routers handle large volumes of traffic and support advanced features like VLANs and VPNs. Core routers, high-performance routers used by ISPs and backbone networks to direct Internet traffic across long distances. Edge routers, positioned at the boundary of a network. They connect internal networks to external ones. Router functions and features. Packet filtering, filters traffic based on rules to block unauthorized access. Quality of service or QoS, prioritize critical traffic such as video calls over less important traffic. Dynamic routing protocols, supports protocols like OSPF and BGP to adapt to network changes in real time. Firewall capabilities. Many routers include built-in firewalls to protect against threats. Client-server model, the backbone of Internet communication. The client-server model is a foundational architecture for Internet communication. It describes how devices or clients interact with the service to request and receive data, enabling everything from web browsing to email and file sharing. How the client-server model works? Client request. A client is any device, example a computer, smartphone, that initiates a request for response or services. For example, when you type a URL in your browser, your device acts as a client requesting a web page. Server response. A server is a powerful computer or program that listens for client requests, processes them, and sends back the requested data. For example, when you request a website, the web server sends the HTML, CSS, and other resources needed to display the page. Communication protocols. The client and server communicate using protocols such as HTTP or HTTPS for web browsing, FTP for file transfers, SMTP or IMAP for email communication, DNS to resolve domain names into IP addresses. Key features of the client-server model. Centralization. Servers centralize resources such as files, databases or applications, making them accessible to multiple clients. Scalability. Servers can be scaled vertically, upgrading hardware, or horizontally, adding more servers to handle increasing demand. Security. Servers often include robust security measures such as authentication, encryption, and firewalls to protect data. Efficiency. By separating resource providers, servers, and users, clients, the model ensures efficient resource management. Types of servers in the client-server model. Web servers. Deliver web pages to clients through browsers. Example Apache, Guinness. Database servers. Manage and provide access to databases. Example MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL. File servers. Store and share files over a network. Example Samba, Windows File Server. Application servers. Run specific applications and provide services to clients. Example Java Application Server, Microsoft IIS. DNS servers. Translate domain names into IP addresses. Routers and the client-server model, a synergistic relationship. The client-server model and routers work together seamlessly to enable internet communication. Routing client requests. When a client sends a request to a server, routers ensure that the request reaches the correct server, even if it is located across the globe. Optimizing traffic. Routers manage and optimize the flow of client-server traffic, balancing loads and prioritizing critical data. Ensuring connectivity. Routers connect clients and servers in different networks, enabling the global reach of the internet. Security layer. Routers filter incoming and outgoing traffic, protecting both clients and servers from unauthorized access. In summary, routers and the client-server model form the backbone of internet communication. Routers act as the traffic controllers, ensuring data packets reach their destination efficiently and securely. The client-server model provides the structure for interactions, enabling clients to request responses and servers to deliver them. Together, these technologies power everything from streaming videos to online banking, shaping the connected world we live in today. Understanding their roles help us appreciate the complexity and reliability of modern networks.